It may benefit some people to know about how to use Billpay, which is a service by Wells Fargo online, to pay anyone. Most people with online banking don't know that some banks will allow you to not only pay a set number of merchants who have enrolled in special programs, such as you can pay your electricity bill, your water bill, you can pay for a flight ticket or something like that, whatever. Um, a lot of people don't know that you can also pay anyone at all. And so the process, at least for Wells Fargo, is just to go over to Bill Pay. You might need to go through an enrollment process, but after you've done that, just click on Add a Payee. And then over here, there's an option to pay an individual. And you can either do a transfer to another Wells Fargo customer, or you can type in the full name of the person that you want to pay. For example, I want to pay Mark Johnson, so I'm going to type his name here. And now I'm given some options to provide additional information. And I got to provide his address, so we'll say he lives at 555 Liberty Lane in Tuskegee. This is completely Tuskegee, Alabama. This is completely made up. 555 555 5555. That's his phone number. Okay. And for having an account number, you can skip that by placing a check mark there. And then, of course, this is me. And you'll want to pick a manual payment rather than automatic. Otherwise, you're going to end up sending this person recurring payments. We just need to do a one-time payment. And of course, miscellaneous is typically the best category to use for anything. And then memo, and as you can see here, I've been using this to pay for my eBay items. It's been quite convenient for me ever since that fateful day when I was banned for life from PayPal. No comment. Alright, notifications, email me when a payment is made. Good. Save. Alright, I've successfully added Mark Johnson. And so now I can click on my Bill Pay tab again. And then locate Mark Johnson. And I'll say I want to pay him $50. So I'm going to do that. And this is nice and convenient here. It shows me that it's going to take about 5 days for this to happen. And one of the things that's kind of nice about this as a payment option is that it sends out a certified check from the bank, not from my own checkbook. A certified check from a bank cashes a little bit more quickly, and it's given a higher status of trust than a regular check. But the reason why I really like this is because I live in China right now. I can't just access my checkbook anytime that I want. And even if I did have my checkbook with me, well, sending a check back to the USA is going to take more than 5 days in the mail. So Bill Pay comes in pretty handy for me. And of course, if you do need to make recurring payments, it's really good for that too. You know, like you want to pay your rent, or maybe you lost a really big bet and you couldn't pay up, and so now you're going to pay somebody off $50 a month. Nice and simple, consistent. You don't have to remember it. This remembers for you. So that's Bill Pay with Wells Fargo Online. Take a look at what online payment options and online banking tools your bank offers to you as an expat or a businessman or businesswoman. You might be surprised at the versatility of what's possible and what you can do with modern online banking. And of course, if you don't have any cool tools available, well, check out Wells Fargo. I can endorse them. I've been a customer for forever, pretty much, and they've been good to me.